3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, back charge. 5, 6, 7. Left arm is hammer locking, right hand's going over the head. We're doing a Copa. 1, bring it forward. 2, you're going to let go of the left hand, turn her with the right. 3 is going to wrap around the neck as we follow her on 5, 6, 7. I'm going to prep her on 1. I'm going to step back as I misdirect her on 2. The lead is with the left hand down. We're going to be stepping forward 3. The right hand's going over my head 5. It's going to go over her head 6. Start coming down on 7. So now keeping the momentum, I'm going to switch it to my left hand, bring it up. 1, it's going to go over her head as I hook. 2, 3, catch with the same hand, follow 5, push pull 6, 7. Start getting off the slot. So now on 1, I'm going to unwind her to the left as I turn to the left. 1, it's going to go over my head. 2, 3, it's going to go over her head as I step around her. 5, misdirection. 6, 7. The hand is coming above the head. So now we're going to push her back as I pump back on 1. I'm going to step in place 2. So now on 3, I'm going to bring her one more step forward. 3. So now I'm going to turn her quickly as we go back to back. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, Copa. So we're stopping on 1, forward 2, turn on 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to go forward and do a right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5. Now we're going to keep turning to the right on 6, 7. We're going to keep turning to the right on 1, 2, 3, all the way until 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do a full turn to the left. 1, 2, 3, another 1, 5, forward 6, 7. Now we're going to be pumping back on 1, 1, forward on 2, forward on 3. We're going to go cha-cha-cha to do this quick turn. Cha-cha-cha, back on 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content. And if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.